Hello friends, this is BB Realty and Auctions again. We are shooting a video of the John Deere 325 that is up for auction August 17th. The auction starts at 5, the preview is at 4 p.m. We are located at 23208 East US 24 Highway in Independence, Missouri, 64056. The crossroad is North Ferguson Springs. We want to show you that this John Deere skid steer 325 absolutely works. So we are shooting a video today. This just came in. We've known that we were going to have this in for about 10 days to 2 weeks now, but it just came in today. Our driver here, Joe, is gone to pick it up and has brought it back. So this will be up for auction. No reserve auction in Independence, Missouri at the auction house. We're building 6. So when you show up, you'll park to the immediate right and you'll head on up to building 6. If you are handicapped, just make sure that you drive on up around the cone so we can get you parked. August 6th, 5 p.m. Or August 17th at 5 p.m. I'm gonna tell you guys the wrong date there. August 17th, 5 p.m. here at the auction house in Independence, Missouri. We've got a lot going on this morning, so I'm going to try to get all this in. We're also going to shoot several other pieces of equipment on this video, like the John Deere tractor and the Bobcat. Show you the trailer that we have that's going to be up for auction. We do equipment auctions about every 2 weeks, but sometimes we're on site elsewhere, so we don't always get over here to have them done. But we're definitely here on the 17th, August 17th, 2025. Now we do farm auctions as well, firearm, coin, knife auctions, and all kinds of other auctions. So if you guys do want to have an auction, please give us a call, 816-820-1124. If your family needs an auction, just let us know. Give us a call. We'd be grateful to have the work. We know there's a lot of companies out there, a whole lot of companies out there. We want to throw our hat in the ring and absolutely come out and give you a free consultation and to see what our family can do for yours. This 38 horsepower tractor right here will be up for auction on the 17th, as well as several other pieces of equipment. This tractor is as clean as a tractor gets. We'll also sell the implements. Check out the model there. I'll head on over to the Bobcat. We'll get that all fired up and we'll get you guys out of here. But come on back. We're excited about this auction, so absolutely come on back because we're going to be here on the 17th. There goes Mary, the owner. She's headed to the gate to let someone out. We're actually going to power wash the boat today, get it all looking pretty, because we do also have a boat up for auction. Here's the Bobcat. We're going to put it into action here so that you guys can see that it works. This will be up for auction August 17th, 5 p.m. we start, but 4 p.m. we open the gates. This is a 743B Bobcat. Now it's an older one, but I'm going to tell you it's a workhorse and it absolutely does work 100%. Joe's getting strapped in there so he can be safe. This is a very strong machine. I think they said it weighed, about 4,500 to 5,000 pounds. So it is a smaller machine for sure. Works 100% and strong all the way. No leaks, nothing wrong with it. It looks good. Absolutely great machine right here. August 17th, folks, we want you to come on out. Check this stuff out early. Get here as early as 3:45. Maybe we'll open the gates a little bit early. You want to test this stuff out? Come on out. We want you to. Start it up. We'll get it working for you. You want to use them? Come on out. We want you to have them. No reserve, live auction, August 17th. AuctionCompanyKC.com. This is going down. We're going to have this auction. Come on out. Give us a call. You have a question? Don't hesitate. 816-820-1124. Hopefully we'll see you on the 17th. If you need an auction, you can also give us a call. Any questions at all whatsoever, give us a call. We'd be happy to help. AuctionCompanyKC.com, BB Realty and Auctions.